Oh, man, Bob, shoulder pain.
Oh, it's a
All right,
pain.
we're going to show you a proven method to stop shoulder pain quickly. These stretches are so easy that I don't even consider them exercise. To me, it's just therapy. Very simple. We'll show you in 9.3 seconds.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Okay, just a little background on this easy treatment is we're getting it from Dr. Kirsch, who's an orthopedic shoulder surgeon. He endorses this exercise, as well as Rick Olderman, who's written books on it. He's written a book specifically for this part of the body, and he likes it as well. So we're talking about mobilizing the scapula.
Right.
So if the scapula is adhered,
out of place,
it's not moving
it will
properly.
cause impingement.
It will cause impingement.
Thank you.
Or as well as if there is impingement right here, that's where Dr. Kirsch
that's where the hanging comes in.
Promotes this same exercise. So let's get on with the exercises. And Sam, you're out of business. Okay, we're going to show 3 variations of this exercise from if you have really bad shoulder pain, or if you can get more aggressive, you want to stretch it or treat it more aggressively. First one, what you can do is simply, you're not going to do this on a bed. You'll have to get down on a floor, carpeted floor, or pad your knees, depending on how mobile you are. In this position, and this is from Rick Olderman.
Right.
What does he call this?
All fours position.
All fours position. We think that maybe yoga people call it the child's pose.
Right.
We don't know. I'm probably insulting.
We're stupid.
Yeah, ignorant in that. So hands out here like this. Start in the quadruped or hands and knees position, and make sure your hands are a little bit far out so that you drop your butt to your knees. And right now, I'm pulling those scapula and getting that shoulder a nice stretch. Hold it as long as you feel comfortable, not more than 30 seconds, anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds, and then come back up. Bob, do you have some more to say about this?
Oh, I do it with a foam roller.
Another option.
Under my arms.
Okay, so if you happen to have a foam roller, which, by George, we have one,
right.
Bob.
Just rolls out nice.
It matches my shirt.
There we go.
Yeah, that'll please some people. My wife would be happy. Okay, hands here. So instead of going back like this, you roll the arms out. Now, again, if you're doing this and you get some real sharp pain, your shoulder's not ready for it yet, okay? So you need to not do it. But if you get that stretch and you come back and do it, and as you do more of it, the shoulder feels better, you're gold.
And you might put a pillow under your feet if you're uncomfortable.
Yeah, keep yourself comfortable. Now, this is my option of this, and we haven't discussed this with Rick Olderman yet, but I think he would say it's just fine. I use a ball, and then you don't have to be on your knees at all. If you've had knee surgery or you're just not comfortable on your knees, go on a ball. My legs are off. And I start out here, and then I roll backwards. And the mobility of the ball is very smooth, very controllable, and it's a nice way to get those scapulas moving.
Great idea, Brad.
Thank you, Bob. I want to see what Rick says about this. All right, the last one. Now, this one's a little more aggressive, but it works very well. We've been promoting this from Dr. Kirsch for quite some time now with good results and feedback. Pull-up bar, we used pull-up handles.
Hanging handles.
Hanging handles.
Right.
The advantage of the hanging handles, and this is a notable advantage, is you can keep your back against the wall and control your drop with good posture and good control. Because you're not going to go on here and just hang.
Right.
You're going to go slowly. It may take a few days, a week or so.
Or you may never.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you do it with good judgment. A little stretch is good. You're going to hang out there.
Go
and
50%, 75% weight.
Yeah. Again, 10 to 30 seconds. When I started doing this, 10 seconds was all I could do.
Yeah, I was the same.
And
your
now
grip gives way.
Yeah. So now I do go to full, and it feels good, and I hang out for a while. Bob likes to do this during the day when he's working at the desk, and it's like,
it wakes you up.
Stretch. Good maintenance shoulder or shoulder maintenance.
Right.
That's what I meant. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm feeling stretched out, Bob.
Yeah, look nice tall.
I feel like. Anyways, good luck with your shoulders. It is a neat trick to do it. Try it out. You could get some relief very quickly. Once again, Bob, we can fix just about anything except for
A broken heart.
That's right. And this exercise
Will
has
not help.
nothing to do with it. So we'll
You're
scrap
out
it
of luck.
for that one.